Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we will see here NCERT textbook exercise of lesson number 4 chemical kinetics. See here question number 4.1. From the rate expression for the following reaction, determine the order of reaction and the dimensions of rate constant. So see here four chemical reaction given first, second, third and fourth. So we have to find out order of reaction and their dimensions, यानी कि their units. So see here solution. See here question number 4.2. For the reaction 2A plus B gives A to B, the rate is equal to K active mass A active mass B per square, with K is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 mole minus 2 liter square per second. Calculate the initial rate of reaction when active mass A is equal to 0.1 mole per liter and active mass B is equal to 0.2 mole per liter. Calculate the rate of reaction after active mass A is reduced 0.06 mole per liter. So solution of these questions, see here by the formula initial rate K active mass A into active mass B ka square. Put the all values of active mass A and active mass B, then you get answer. See your solvation. Now question number 4.3 is which is most important. The decomposition of ammonia on platinum surface is zero order of reaction. What are the rates of production of N2 and S2 if K is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second? See here solution. Here chemical reaction ammonia gives 1/2 nitrogen plus 3/2 hydrogen. So we have to find out rate of reaction, which is instantaneous rate of reaction. So by the formula have you find out instantaneous rate of reaction, which gives here. Now question number 4.4. The decomposition of dimethyl ether leads to formation of methane, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, and the reaction rate given rate is equal to K active mass acetone per 3/2 fractional order of reaction. The rate of reaction is followed by increase the pressure in the closed vessel. So the rate can also express term partial pressure dimethyl ether rate is equal to K active mass P acetone per 3/2. If the pressure is measured in bar and time is measured in minute, then what are the unit of rate constant? So see here solvation. The unit of rate constant will be bar per minus 1/2 minute inverse. Question number 4.6. A reaction is second order with respect to a reactant. How is the rate of reaction affected if the concentration of reactant is double and reduced half? So it will be measured by the formula of rate of reaction is equal to R1 is equal to K active mass A chi square is equal to Ka square. So put the value first, increase the concentration of reactant double and after them it will be half, and put the value. So in first condition the rate become 4 time more than initial rate, and in second the rate reduced 4 time from the initial value. Question number 4.7. What is the effect of temperature on the rate constant of a reaction. How can these temperature effect on the rate constant be responsible for quantitatively? So this question will solve by the formula K is equal to AE minus a power minus EA upon RT. Put the all values here and you have to find out quantitative relationship value K. This formula given by the Arrhenius, where EA is the activation energy, R ideal gas constant, T is the absolute temperature. See here question number 4.8. In a pseudo first order hydrolysis of ester in water, the following results were obtained. Here four conditions will apply. When the molar concentration of ester 0.55, yani when time duration is 0, that time the mole concentration of ester is 0.55. When 30 seconds passed, it will be 0.31. When 60 seconds passed, it will be 0.17. And when 90 seconds, it will be 0.085. In according to given table, we have to see when time passed, the concentration of ester will reduce. So here first calculate the average rate of reaction between the time interval 30 to 60 seconds, and second calculate the CO2 first order rate constant for the hydrolysis of ester. So we have to use the solution here. First, average rate during the interval 30 to 60 seconds is equal to minus change in concentration upon time interval involved in the change. So put value when 30 to 60 seconds. So here 0.17 minus 0.131 upon 60 minus 30. So you have to get 4.67 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter per second. And for the first order of reaction, we have to find out value of constant K by the formula K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 active mass A previous concentration to active mass A final concentration in all conditions. See here. See here question number 4.9. A reaction is first order in A and second order B. So find out. Write the differential rate equation. Second, how is the rate affected increasing the concentration of B 3 times? And third, how is the rate affected with concentrations of the both A and B? So here three questions. So here all three solutions. Solution A, dx upon dt is equal to K active mass A into active mass B square. Second, rate R1 is equal to K into A into B square. So suppose initial concentration of A and B are and B respectively. When B triplet, rate R2 is equal to Ka 3B square is equal to 9KAB square in 9RA, and rate increases 9 times when the concentration will increases 3 times for the third order of reaction. And solution 3 here gives the rate increases 8 times. Here question number 4.10. A reaction between A and B is initial rate of reaction R0 was measured for different initial concentration A and B as given below. Here table where the molar concentration of A and B given for the first order of for the zero order of reaction. So here solution. See here